How to open TikTok with sound. So if your TikTok videos are muted every time you open the app, this tutorial will help you fix that. Now, the first thing you need to do is open up TikTok on your device. Once you're inside the app, tap on the Profile tab in the bottom right-hand side. Then tap on the hamburger menu in the top right-hand side. From the menu that appears, tap on Settings and Privacy. Now scroll down a little until you find the Content and Display section. From here, tap on Playback. At the top, you will see an option called Open TikTok on Mute. If this option is turned on, TikTok videos will automatically open without sound. To fix this, simply turn off the toggle switch next to Open TikTok on Mute. Once disabled, TikTok videos will now play with sound automatically whenever you open the app. So it's really as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments. Make sure to like the video and subscribe for more TikTok tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.